everyone, welcome to Vaishi Makeup YouTube channel, and today I'm going to swatch the newly launched Nykaa all day matte lipsticks, and I got them from the PR, and I have 10 shades with me, and I'm going to swatch the 5 shades. The reason being, what I decided that I'm going to swatch 5 now and 5 later as per the color family. So I have picked these 5 shades from the pink color family, and I'm going to show you how the wand looks like. Look at the wand, and it's very easy to apply. I have just applied this color, and these are highly pigmented, and they're very soft on the lips. And good part about is that they do not transfer. Look at this, they do not transfer at all, so you can kiss along all the time. And another good thing about this lipstick is that they stay for 20 hours easily, because you know, I swatched these lipstick like 2 days before, and I have washed my hair, of course it's COVID, so many times, and still it is there. So these are like a bang on lipstick. You guys can try it out. I'm going to mention the price in the description box because I currently don't know it. And let's begin with the swatches of this. Redo your lips. And I'm going to firstly begin with this beautiful shade. This is called as Dream Wife. So the quantity is 2.1 ml, and let's see how it looks on me. So this is a kind of a reddish pink, where the pink is strong, and this is how it looks on me. This is not very warm, not very cold. The shade is not very warm or not very cool, and it was super easy to apply this lipstick, and it's super awesome, isn't it? The shade is super awesome. I'll give it a thumbs up. So the shade Dream Wife, which I'm wearing right now, is kind of a hot pink with a red tint to it. So this looks very good. I really like how bright it looks and how bright it makes my face. It's not very warm or cool, and it's just perfect. It's a very good shade for dark to medium skin tone girls, and I think it will be a little tad bright for the fairer one, but they can give it a go. Like, it's so beautiful. Let's come to the next shade, which is Girl Gang. This also seems to be a very beautiful shade. This is also a warm shade, and it's on the pink. It's in the pink family, but it's a very different shade. And if you go by the tube, it doesn't look that, you know, it doesn't matches with the lipstick color, but it looks really nice on me. I think I will give it a go. The next shade which I'm swatching is Soul Sister. Oh gosh, this is such a beautiful shade. I really like how this shade looks on me, and see, it looks so amazing. I've little messed up my lips cupid bow, but it looks so amazing, something which I have not worn before. So it's kind of a dusty pink with a mix of pink and little, you know, what should I say, I'm not able to define this shade, but it's a beautiful shade with the brick red and pink, and it's an amazing shade for medium to darker skin tone. It's going to look amazing. I think this might be might quite to be a underrated shade. It's an awesome shade which you guys must try out. So the next shade which I'm going to swatch for you is Grand Fan. This shade kinds of washes me out because it's more of a cool tone. So what I can do is whenever I'm wearing a dark lipstick, I can just use it in the middle to give it a ombre effect. But it is more of a blue tone, so this is more for on a fairer or a bluer skin tone side or a cool skin tone side. It little bit washes me out, not some kind of a shade which I would pick often or I would prefer buying. So let's come to the last shade from the pink family only, and it is hot pink, and I love hot pinks. I hope it suits me. I really like hot pinks. So look at this shade. This is such a festive bridal shade. Especially I recommend this shade to deeper medium skin tone like mine, and they look so awesome in this shade. So this is a hot pink shade and on the magenta side, and it looks so awesome. The name is Teacher Tribe, and the quantity of all these shades is 2.1 ml, so not bad but not very great too. I hope it had more, but this is an amazing shade. It's a very festive wedding or pep up shade, especially medium to darker skin tone girls or deeper skin tone girls can carry it beautifully. And that's about it. These are my 5 shades. I hope you like them. Only one was a cooler skin tone, rest all of them were pretty amazing. They looked awesome. Which one will you buy? Which one do you think is a must have for you? And the formula is very lightweight. It doesn't settle on the lips, so it's good for the dry lips as well. For dry lips you might need a little bit of moisturizing or a lip balm underneath, but other than it's an awesome lipstick range. I'm sure you're going to love it and you're going to hold a lot of them. I'll see you again with other swatches of the lipstick which are left over. They are 5 of them, and I'll see you with the other swatches next time. Bye.